We're going.
Okay.
We're going to go outside and try to get a selfie out.
You got the key?
Yeah. Careful, my love.
Oh gosh.
Pretty windy out there.